Hey everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to give you an update on my BOXY thoughts because if you've watched my channel before, you know that I had subscriptions to BOXY, BOXY Luxe, and then I was on the wait list for BOXY Premium, which I thought I was getting a box and I didn't get a box, and then, you know, it was time for my subscription to renew, and it didn't renew, and they said my credit card was having a problem, and I tried 3 different credit cards, and it was their billing service, and just issues and problems and drama, if you want to hear all that noise again. But anyways, although my subscription is canceled, I'm still getting a few boxes, so I just wanted to let you know how I feel about, you know, did I make the right, because I didn't, you know, should I cancel, should I not, whatever, I mean, still a good deal, you know, but here's the deal. And here's my January box. Okay, when you're watching your favorite YouTuber who, you know, or influencer has lots of subscribers, they're getting a different box that you're gonna get, okay? You know, I'm watching these people getting their boxes, and they're getting their January box, and they're getting the Too Faced, the diamond blush and glow or highlighter that's diamond shape, you know, from the Pretty Rich collection. And then I see other people, and they're getting the Glow Recipe watermelon, you know, and gosh, I saw something else too. What are people getting? I don't know. They're getting the name brand items, okay? They're getting the things that you want. They're getting the, you know, the Natasha Denona blush duo, or they're getting the name, you know, they're pulling out, you know, 3 different name brand items, and I'm going like, well, that's not the box I'm getting. So that's why I quit BOXY, because it's like, you know, there's all these great commercials about, oh, $25 and it's going to be worth, you know, X dollars, and you're going to get all this, and no, what you're going to get is crap. If you don't have any makeup, it's a good deal, but if you do have makeup, pass. Hard pass. Because, I mean, okay, I'll just show you what I'm talking about, okay? Alright, so here's my January box, alright? And, you know, I was like, oh, well, I might get some Glow Recipe, or I might get some Too Faced. Oh, I can get Too Faced at TJ Maxx all day long. You won't find Glow Recipe there. But anyways, okay, so here's my January box. And, you know, there's different versions of the box. Yeah, the different versions are the good boxes go to the people with the most subscribers, who are going to get the most people to buy BOXY, and they're going to get all the good stuff. And then everybody else is going to get crap. Okay, so here's I don't know what version here. I'll have to read you my little card here. What does it say? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Okay, so I don't know. I got the 14 with a heart. Okay, so anyways, now the first thing I got is it says BOXY Breaking the Ice. The first thing I got is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Okay, I did do my shade thing before I canceled, you know, when they sent that out and you picked your shades, because they're going to start enclosing complexion products. So this is in the shade Undercover. Golly, let me get my magnifying glass. I can't see these little tiny itty bitty labels. Okay, Undercover 60 Little White Lies Concealer. Okay, alright, so anyways, I am a light, so that is a pretty good concealer for me. It looks like it'll work. But, however, Pretty Vulgar is now showing up all at TJ Maxx. If you've been watching TJ Maxx videos lately, that is all showing up. The specifically, the mascara is the only thing that I've seen, but I know Leora has found some of the palettes and some of the nail polish or nail lacquer, but Pretty Vulgar is a brand that is showing up at TJ Maxx right now. So that's a concealer, but I have a TJ Maxx, so I don't need a BOXY. Okay, next is the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette featuring 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunset witnessed in various locations around the world. Okay, so let's find that. So here's the Ace Beauty palette. I do like eyeshadow palettes. Now, Ace Beauty is just a brand that I've never seen in a store. I've kind of heard of it. I don't really know. But, you know, I would have rather had a name brand. And that's the thing. These no-name brands. So, it is... Yeah, it's like it's a cardboard. Scarlet Dusk is the name of it. Now, okay, that's pretty. That does look like the, that's reminiscent of the Desert Dusk palette, is what that looks like to me. The shades are very pretty. I will give you that. That is gorgeous. It looks like the Desert Dusk Huda palette. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes. 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers. So I can't count. 4, 5, 6. Okay, 8 mattes. 8 mattes and 3 shimmers. That is a beautiful palette. I don't know anything about Ace Beauty. Oh, but it smells god-awful. Oh my goodness. It smells like awful. Smells like cheap makeup. But anyways, I'll check it out. Maybe it's good. I don't know. If you like Ace Beauty, very pretty colors, I will definitely give it that. But man, does it stink. It smells like cheap makeup. It does have a mirror in it though. So, I mean, what do you want for 25 bucks, right? So, but, I mean, I have the Desert Dusk palette, so I don't need this. But it's pretty. I'll try it. I'll try it. But, I mean, I don't know. If you have good makeup, you don't need cheap makeup, right? I mean, I don't know. Pass. Okay, what's next? Very pretty, though. Wander Beauty, Trip for Two. Oh, so this is supposed to be $34.99. I don't see $34.99 in that at all. I don't know how much Ace Beauty palettes are. That looks like a $15 palette to me. You know, it's like ColourPop or whatever. Now, ColourPop's good makeup, good cheap makeup. That smells terrible. That's ugh. Okay. Oh, and the Pretty Vulgar concealer was $25. Okay. Well, I've never bought any Pretty Vulgar anyways, and I don't think the brand did very well. I know it was on clearance at Sephora. So, probably a lot of things that you see on clearance on Sephora. You know, the next stop is BoxyCharm or TJ Maxx. So, yeah, I wouldn't have purchased either one of those. Next, Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. Prepare for the perfect getaway with a Trip for Two. Okay, $36. So here's the Wander Beauty Trip for Two. It's in a pretty blush colored box. So, Wander Beauty, I think I've heard of it, kind of like Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty, however you want to say it. But it's in a textured, you can kind of see the texture on there. That's a textured, formulated without mineral oil, parabens, synthetic fragrances, cruelty-free. Okay, so it has Bellini blush and then Costa Ray. I don't know. That doesn't look like a bronzer to me. That looks like a bad highlighter. And it stinks too. I don't know if it's the glue from the packaging or what, but I mean, this cheap makeup just has a strong chemically smell that I do not like. The blush, it looks okay, but that doesn't look like a bronzer. That looks more like a highlighter to me, but it's not. I don't know. I don't like it. I'm not impressed. It's got a mirror. I don't know. It's cheap makeup. I wish I had a niece or a daughter or somebody to give this stuff to. I'm glad, so far I'm glad that I canceled my BoxyCharm because I wouldn't wear that. I wouldn't wear that. Okay, next, In Beauty Project Power Up Dual Phase Setting Face Mist. Energizing face mist is the pick-me-up you need to get you through the day and night. Special bi-phase formula instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Get ready to power up. Formulated with our Even Out complex, which helps even the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. $32. Okay. Use under makeup to prep skin, over makeup to set your look. Throughout the day to refresh tired skin. 3.4 fluid ounces. Well, I've never heard of this brand, In Beauty Project. It's got the cruelty free on it. Aloe, witch hazel, electrolytes. Yeah, okay. Clean beauty never felt so good. Well, I'll try it, but it's a no-name brand, which is typical for BoxyCharm, so I don't know. I don't need it. Okay, next. Grande Cosmetics Grand Drama Intense Thickening Mascara, designed by the maker of cult favorite Grande Lash MD Lance and Hair Serum, blah blah blah. Intense thickening mascara with castor oil, no flake formula, $25. Okay, well, this is the only thing I'm slightly interested in. This is the Grande Cosmetics Drama with castor oil. Castor oil is good for your hair. A lot of the hair stuff that I bought has castor oil in it. It says flake free. I bet that is good for your lashes, but I don't know. I like the nice big tube. I'm pretty set with my roller lash from Benefit. I tried the Kush mascara. That's pretty good. I like better than Sex. That's good until it dries out, which doesn't take long. But anyways, okay, so that is this month's BoxyCharm. So again, no Glow Recipe. No Too Faced. Nothing. These. That would get. The smell of this gives me a. Just glue and chemical. I don't know. Kind of gives me a headache. But anyways, I'm glad I canceled BoxyCharm. Just know that if you get BoxyCharm, don't expect to get the stuff that you see the influencers getting, because you're gonna get the boxes like I get. Or maybe these are the boxes that you get if you cancel your BoxyCharm. Then they give you the real shit. So that's what I got. I got the box for if you cancel your subscription and you got some few boxes left, you're gonna get version yuck. So anyways, I don't know. Whatever. I'm out on BoxyCharm. They can boxy shove it. But anyways, I'm kind of interested, and this year I'm going to try mystery boxes. Hopefully Jeffree Star will do a a Valentine's Day mystery box. I'm going to guess that'll probably have the Jawbreaker palette in the big box there, because he's discontinuing Alien and Thirsty. What else? Trend Mood is doing a box that sold out before it even went on sale, so that's going to be something that's going to be, only influencers are going to be able to get. Ipsy, and I'm out on the boxes. Ofra mystery box was pretty cool until I got 2 boxes, and then they both had, the boxes were like a Black Friday box and then the next mystery box after that, and like 3 of the items were the same, so I won't be needing any more Ofra mystery boxes either. So anyways, that's it. My name's Jackie. Please like, subscribe. Try not to be a hater, but BoxyCharm really makes me mad because I went through so much with it, and you think you're gonna get something really good, and then you get makeup that smells like chemicals and all. Hey, it's great if you've got no makeup. If you are a teenager and you're starting out, it is a great way, because every once in a while you will get something really cool in there that makes it worth it. But in general, I think the BoxyCharm is just a clearinghouse for stuff that's going to be at TJ Maxx or clearance on Sephora, and no-name brands, and the people who are doing the commercials, and like Glam with Suzanne, and I've seen other ones. I don't want to name names, but everybody who's got a lot of subscribers and is a major influencer is going to get a better box, and the commercials are going to have the boxes to try to draw people into subscribe. But if you subscribe, you're just going to get what you get. And for 25 bucks, I would rather take the 25 bucks and buy one Ofra liquid lipstick that I know I'm going to like, or one Urban Decay single eyeshadow to add to my collection for $20 that I know I'm going to like, or one you know, one ColourPop palette for 25 bucks, or a BH Cosmetics palette. You can take that 25 bucks and instead of hoping you get something good, you can get something good on sale of a brand that you like. And that is my tip for today. Here's my nail polish. This is $1.98 LA Colors gel polish, gel-like polish, gel-like shine is what they call it. But it's $1.98 over at Walmart, and this polish is outstanding for $1.98. So you can take your $25 and you can buy something that you know you're gonna like, in a shade you know you're gonna like, buy a brand you know you're gonna like. Even though it's only $25, you can do better than BOXY Charm. Okay? So anyways, thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.